everyone, Miss Reimer here with Music Teacher Message. Now, as you can see, we've gotten a lot of boxes in the music room lately, and my students have been asking me what's with all the boxes. So today, we're going to talk about it. Now, I was going to just unbox them and have the stuff in the room and just start using it, but I thought we could do this in a much more YouTuber-y fashion. So I'm going to break it up into a bunch of like short little videos and unbox like one type of product in each of these videos so I can show you what we got. So if you want to know, you're gonna have to keep an eye on this channel over the next couple of days, and each day I will unbox, like I said, one type of instrument or piece of equipment or whatever resides in these boxes. Now, huge shout out to our principal for making this happen. Just absolutely incredible. And I am so grateful. We're gonna get to do so many cool things now because of all of this new stuff. So huge shout out to her. She's amazing, best principal we could ever ask for. And yeah, tune in the next few days to find out what we got. See you soon.